I recently had to return a product on Amazon for the first time, and I thought it might be useful to show people how I did it. As I went through the process, I actually got refunded without needing to return the item. I'll show you how I did this. Firstly, open up Amazon and make sure you are logged into your account. The process is the same on phones and desktops. Click on the 3 lines in the top left hand corner. Click on Your Orders and select the order you would like to return. In my case, I ordered the wrong size drill bit, so I didn't need it. If you scroll down, you will find a section that says Need help with your item. It's here that you'll be able to return or replace an item. It will normally have a date on it when you can still claim a refund. After clicking on it, you will be asked why you want to return it. Select the most appropriate option. Select Continue and add a comment if you wish to add further information. For example, if the item is defective, you might want to explain how. Continue again. You see this screen asking, how can we make it right? You have 2 options. Exchange the item or just return it and get a refund. I clicked on Exchange to see what options came up. They displayed what looks like things I may have looked at in the past, none of them relevant to me now and none that I want. You can select one of these, otherwise select Refund. Click to confirm you will return the item and click Continue. Now they ask how you will return the item. The options displayed may be different for you depending on what country you are in. I'm in the UK, so I get these options here. You may also get a courier pickup option, but I don't have that. Once you click confirm your return, you will be emailed a return label to print out or a return shipping code to show at the drop-off point. Just attach the return label to the product you are returning, making sure to remove or cover your personal details and drop it off, or show your code at the drop-off point. I ended up clicking on refund and they started processing my refund and actually told me not to return the product. I guess the low value of the item is not worth their time and effort, or the customer's time and effort, so I just got my money back and still kept the item. The item was only a couple pounds and not worth much anyhow. In most cases that won't happen and you will need to return your item before getting refunded. They refunded me the money instantly and now I have a spare drill bit that might come in handy in the future. I'll just have to look around my house to find things to drill into. So that's the process of how to return Amazon items and get refunded. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.